Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on the topic Profit and Gain of Business or Profession. I am Sweda MA from 2nd MCom Finance, MES Asmabi College, P. Vembalur. What do you mean by profit and gain of business or profession? Section 28(2)44D of the Income Tax Act 1961 deals with the provisions regarding income chargeable under the head Profit and Gain of Business or Profession. What do you mean by business? Business included Section 2, subsection 13. Business means production or purchase and sale of goods and services with a view to make profit. It include trade, commerce, manufacture, and also include any adventure or concern in the nature of trade, commerce, and manufacture. Next one, what is profession? Profession means those activities which require specialized knowledge and intellectual or manual skill. Example, doctor, lawyer, engineer, etc. It also includes vocations. Vocation means all activities which are performed in order to earn a livelihood. Examples, brokers, insurance agents, self-employed people, dancers, etc. Profession included Section 2, subsection 36. Next one, what is profit of business or profession? It's included Section 28. First one, profit and gain of any business or professions. Second one, any compensation other payment due to or received by any persons by whatever name managed the whole or significant whole of the affairs of an Indian company at or connected to the termination of his management or the modification of the term and conditions. Third one, income obtained by a trade, professional or similar association from specific service performed for its members. Fourth one, profit that are made from the sale of a license granted under the Imports Control Order 1955, made under the Import and Export Control Act 1947, 18 of 1947. Fifth point, cash assistance, that means by whatever name called, received or receivable by any person against export under any scheme of Government of India. Sixth one, profit on sale of a license granted under the Imports Order 1955. Seventh one, on transfer of duty entitlement passbook scheme under Section 5 of the Foreign Trade. Eighth one, any profit that is made from the transfer of duty-free replacement certificate. Ninth one is the value of any perquisite benefit from business or professions, whatever it is convertible into money or not. Tenth one, any interest, commission, salary, remuneration or bonus due to or received by a partner of a firm from a firm. 11th one, income from any speculative transactions. 12th one, interest on securities. 13th one, any sum that is received under a Cayman insurance policy included the sum given as bonus. 14th one, any sum whatever received or receivable in cash or kind for not carried out any activities concern any business, or for not sharing any know-how, patent, copyright, trademark, license, fencing or any other business commercial rights. 15th one, any sum received in conversion of capital assets. Next one is rules regarding computation of profit and gains of business or professions. Business or profession should be carried on the assessee. Income from business or professions is chargeable to tax under this head only if the business or profession is carried on the assessee at any time during the previous year. Profit and gain different business or professions carried on by the assessee are not separately chargeable to tax. Profits made by assessee is winding up of a business or professions are not taxable. Income of illegal business or profession is not exempt from tax. Profit and loss of a speculative business are kept separately. Anticipated or potential profits or loss which may occur in future are not considered for arriving at taxable income of a previous year. Only profit earned by business after incorporation. General commercial principles are to be followed. My topic is over. Thank you all.